Okay, this is version 2 of the substitution cipher. So here's what it needs to do. Ask the user for a message to encrypt, display it back as ciphertext, let the user enter multiple messages, use quit to exit, use a function to display a message at the end that says have a nice day, use at least one of the function, convert all the text to lowercase and display the ciphertext to lowercase, and ignore spaces and punctuation. So we've already got from substitution cipher 1 the basics here, so let's have a look at how I've modified it. I've got some variables at the top, so I'm going to keep track of my while loops. I've got a Boolean loop at the top, number of messages at the top. So you can see everything else is basically the same. I'm incrementing number of messages now. I've got my quit in. I've got a continue. I've only quits on the capital letters because I'm using my to-upper function. And I've got my message to output everything. So let's just scroll through that slowly so you can see what's going on. Not a lot of changes. There we go. And then if we look at my to-lower function, now this converts everything to lowercase. It's an example of this and the playlist. I've just imported it. So there you go for that. I've got the same for a to-upper function. This bit here is the important bit for the two of them. This helps with the ASCII characters as well. So if I look at my make cipher again, so it's basically the same, but this time when it comes in, it checks if it's in my case a capital, because I used capital letters, so I've converted it all to uppercase. So it checks if it's a capital letter. If it's not a capital letter, it does the encryption as before. If it is a capital letter, sorry, if it is, if it's not a letter, it's then just writes it straight. So if you've got a space or whatever, it's just going to write it straight back to the ciphertext. If you've got a symbol, it's going to write it straight to the ciphertext. So it'll do all that bit. Return the cipher string. Go back to main. When it returns the cipher string, I then convert it back to lowercase, and then I output it and increment the number of messages. So that's it. The print function is just that. Takes in the number of messages and outputs it. So let's run it to make sure it works. So I won't step through it, I'll just run it. So we'll go with A, B, C, D in lowercase, A, B, C, D in uppercase, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 symbols. So we've got the spaces as well. So we should be getting star, star, 1, 2, 3, 4, and those symbols. And there we go. If I don't type anything of any relevance in there, we'll go around again. Quit, and it doesn't matter if I type quit in upper or lowercase, it will convert it to uppercase, quit, and give me my message. So there you go. That is everything I think that you needed for that assignment. So if this has been useful to you, feel free to buy me a beer.